Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're reviewing a product that's made for those who want a natural-looking, versatile hairstyle without the hassle, the Body Wave HD Lace Front Wig. This 13 by 6-inch wig is glueless, pre-plucked, and promises to deliver a seamless, beautiful look that you can style any way you like. Whether you're new to wigs or a seasoned pro, this might be the one to elevate your hair game. Let's break it down. The Body Wave HD Lace Front Wig is made from 100% unprocessed virgin human hair, sourced from Brazilian and Vietnamese hair. This wig claims to be soft, bouncy, and completely natural, free from synthetic materials or animal hair. Right off the bat, you're promised a comfortable, no-shed experience, which is always a big selling point for me when it comes to wigs. Now let's talk about how it performs in real-world testing. I've been wearing this wig for a few days, and I can tell you it's incredibly comfortable. The cap size is adjustable from 21.5 to 22.5 inches, and with the 4 combs and adjustable straps, it stays in place without needing glue or adhesive. That's a huge win for anyone who wants a quick, secure install without the mess. The material itself is breathable, which makes it perfect for long wear, and I can't emphasize enough how natural the texture feels. I've styled it in different ways, from the body wave to straightening it and even curling it. The hair takes heat well, which means you can truly customize it to your style. And let's not forget about the pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs. It makes blending the wig with your natural hair much easier, giving a more seamless, natural look. In terms of pros and cons, let's start with the positives. First, this wig is extremely low maintenance. The fact that it's glueless and still stays secure is a game changer. The quality of the hair is excellent, soft, healthy, and tangle-free. I also love that it's versatile enough to be styled however you want, whether you're aiming for sleek and straight or soft waves. And the breathable cap construction makes it ideal for extended wear. But it's not without its cons. For some, the cap size might feel a bit tight, especially if you have a larger head. While it fits most sizes, 21.5 to 22.5 inches, those on the higher end of that range might find it a little snug. Additionally, it's a little heavier compared to some other wigs I've tried, but that's really a matter of preference. Some might like the added fullness, while others might prefer a lighter feel. As for value for money, this wig is definitely priced on the higher side, but considering the quality of the hair and the overall performance, it feels like a solid investment. Human hair wigs like this often come with a higher price tag, but they last longer and offer more styling flexibility than synthetic wigs. So it's worth the extra cost if you're looking for something that feels and looks more natural. Now, in terms of alternatives, there are certainly other human hair wigs on the market. However, the Body Wave HD Lace Front Wig stands out because of its glueless installation, natural hairline, and the high-quality materials used. If you're looking for a similar vibe, but a more budget-friendly option, there are some synthetic lace front wigs available, but they won't offer the same versatility or longevity. It really depends on your budget and how much you're willing to invest in a high-quality wig. As for the build quality, the materials used feel premium. The hair is soft and durable, and after several days of wear, there's been no noticeable shedding or tangling. That's a big deal, especially if you're planning to wear it daily or for special occasions. The breathable cap construction ensures comfort, which is essential for all-day wear. If you're looking for customer support, the brand does offer a solid after-sales service, so if anything goes wrong with your purchase, you can expect a quick response. They even back up their products with a guarantee, which gives extra peace of mind when buying a wig online. So to wrap it up, the Body Wave HD Lace Front Wig is a solid choice if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile human hair wig. It offers great performance in terms of styling, comfort, and durability. While it might be a bit pricier than some options out there, the quality justifies the cost if you're looking for a long-lasting, natural look. It's definitely perfect for anyone looking to switch up their hairstyle for daily wear or special occasions. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this wig, drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.